Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, ventilated seats. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, power moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.